What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good Memorial Day weekend. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the factory grille on our 2019 Subaru Crosstrek with a new Gloss Black Grille Assembly that I actually got from eBay. Hopefully it fits well and looks good. Let's get started. So this is what the new grille looks like. It's fully all gloss black, smooth surface compared to the factory grille. Now I know I messed up over a year ago. I poorly painted this black and I didn't do any prep work whatsoever besides cleaning it. I should have sanded it, primed it, and whatnot, but that's actually not the only thing I was trying to fix today. See, this is the factory textured surface and it's a satin black grille. So either way, it's gonna look a lot better coming from this textured surface to this full gloss black grille assembly. So you want to start by removing the plastic shield that's between the radiator support and the bumper cover so that we can access the hardware in the back of the grille. And to do that, you just have to turn these plastic clips, the two plastic clips that are on the intake duct, counterclockwise, 90 degrees, and then pull on them up. And on the other three clips, you simply just pry this with a flat head till it pops out, and then you pull the clip out. Just to get you a better view of what the inside of the bumper looks like, it's gonna go back here. These tabs right here are the main things that keep the grille in place, and then you still have to remove some Phillips screws on the bottom side of the grille. So we're gonna have to get like a really shallow 90-degree ratchet with a tiny Phillips and get to them under here. It's just a few of them. And then we're gonna start prying on the tabs one by one and pushing the grille outwards. To make it easier to visualize where the screws are and where the tabs are, take the new grille and you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes at the bottom, and I think there's some on the outside. On the top, there's 2 more on each side, and then these are all where the tabs are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs, and then we're gonna push it forward from the back side and it should pop out. Now that was kind of a pain in the ass, but as long as you have the right tools, you're gonna get the job done. This thing that really helped me out with this is this 90-degree 1/4" drive ratchet. It's like, as soon as I break it loose, I can actually turn my finger and loosen the screw. I got all 8 of them out. Try your best not to drop a single screw in there or drop this tool down into the bumper, because you're gonna have a hell of a time getting that back out. Now let's get this grille off. Taking the grille off and pushing the tabs in is actually the easiest part. For the tabs, you push inwards towards the grille, And then, yeah, on the top ones, there's 4 of them, push inwards towards the grill. There's this little tab that you just need to pry down so it'll unlatch itself from these slots. Let's put the new grill on. Grill's not fully installed yet, but it's already looking really, really nice. Now we're gonna have to add the screws in, all 8 of them, and then we're gonna have to remove the badge from the factory grill and transfer it to this new one. You definitely want to take your time moving your arms in and out of the radiator core support, or else you'll get a bunch of bumps and bruises, maybe potentially some cuts like I did. And as far as the plastic shield on top, this is how it's supposed to sit. Intake duct on top. The 2 plastic clips with the Phillips heads are supposed to be for the air duct. The rest that are just blank are for the shield. Now it's time for the last step, which is to transfer this badge onto the new one. But since I messed up this badge, I have to paint it first before we install it onto the new grill. So I thought about it again, and I think I'm just gonna take the paint off since I don't want it to flake off, since I don't have primer or anything in this place yet. I don't want this to be improperly done, so I'm just gonna save this badge by getting rid of the paint on the polished surface with some goof off. Hopefully this works cleanly. And then we're gonna reinstall it on there. I'm gonna save the adhesive on the back. I'm just gonna reheat this with a heat gun and see how tacky it is and reinstall it. I'm actually surprised how well that goof off worked. Like, not a single bit of paint on this, not a scratch. Worked really well. Now, if you don't want to mess with trying to remove your factory front badge from your old grill and transferring it to the new one, or you just don't have a heat gun, I will leave a link in the description for where you can get another factory Subaru badge, along with other aftermarket options if you want a different color front emblem. Also, this adhesive, I got really lucky with just slowly peeling it with some heat and being able to salvage it. So now I just have to reheat it, reinstall it. But if you did rip up yours, I will leave a link in the description where you can get like an aftermarket pre-cut one for the Subaru badge. So it makes the whole process really easy. So overall, very happy with how it looks. Super glossy black finish. The fit is just like the factory. I'm glad I didn't have to buy another front badge from Subaru. So if you do want to give this grill a shot for your Subaru Crosstrek, I will leave a link in the description at the very top where you can get it. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.